Hello, YJ. Because I introduced you as your YJ. That is not your name, just initial. But in case someone notice me and you, and I I use it. I used initial, and now I'm going to the school. Actually, in Boston, there are 4 subway lines. I'm used green line, so I'm going to the green line for train. So I'm going. Maybe this is more funny to you, fun to you. Yesterday and the day before yesterday, I sent the email to you, and also, of course, I will send the email today. But this is another way to communicate with you, and the reason why this camera is for recording and uploads. So camera is doing his function now. The green line is not far from my house, about 5 minutes. Okay, I don't know what to say to you. But I don't say anything right now, but I don't care because you are only person to watch this. And maybe if I laugh, you will laugh. So laugh a lot, and I almost come now. Now I cross the road. Woo. Oh, now is train, subway is coming. Left, left. This is my subway station. It's like a bus stop.